Before you start sharing your slides within whatever platform it is you're using, open up your PowerPoint presentation, open up your notes and figure out where you want these on your screen. Then you're going to set up the slideshow. So typically what happens is we hit the share slides, share screen button from within Zoom, for example, and all our attendees see this whole box here. They see all of the upcoming slides and it just looks messy. And when we come to hit the bottom down here, the button rather, it takes up the full screen. So even if you do find your chat box, it's going to lay on top now of the slides and cover up some of the information. It's not great, and there's a better way. So do this setup. Find slideshow along the top, hit setup slideshow, select the second option, browse by an individual, hit OK, and then press that button there to start your slideshow. So let's take this now within the Zoom or whatever platform you might be using. Same principles apply. Find your document and start sharing. So now attendees can only see what is inside this green box. I've got my notes here positioned ready to go, and when I do open the chat and the participants, I can play around with where I want these boxes so that I can engage best as I'm presenting. Make sure that I'm keeping an eye on comments so that I can verbally engage, and any little hands that might pop up here. I can see how many slides that I've got, so this is really going to help with timekeeping. I'm going to be able to make sure I'm spending the appropriate amount of time for per slide. So keep an eye down here on the clock, or even open a little stopwatch app just down here, because nobody can see all this area. They're only looking at what's inside that green box. But do bear in mind that inside the green box you have the name of your PowerPoint, so call that something appropriate. But that's it. I hope you found it useful. Thanks.